today we'll explain a bit groups and how they're being used. So groups are a way to gather all your transfers into the same place. Well, we'll say that this gathering will be done based on the data type, right? So then you can have a group for master data, so one for customers, one for contacts, and then you can have a group for invoices, for orders. So it's a way to organize everything. So then whenever you have to look at what you have configured, you can definitely look at those specific groups. So step number one, when we want to have everything put together under a group, we go to groups and we click on new. And then we just create a group. Let's say it's called like this. So this would be transfers, and that's it. And then we save it. So this is my new group, right? So this is step number one. And then step number two, you go to your transfers, right? And let's say I have this one. So let's say that I want this to be part of that group. So you go to the general section and you go to group here and you select that specific category and then you save it. And then once this is saved, you should be able to see where this transfer is being added. So I'll just remove any filters and I will go to my group, which is this one. So this one will show me only that specific transfer. So whenever you have new groups defined, you can come to your transfers here, transfer section, and add the group. And then here, this is the place where all groups are listed. So you can see which one is part of which group. So that's a really good way to understand where they are added right now. And of course, if there's any transfer that doesn't have a group here, as you can see, if this is blank, it means that it's not part of a group, and therefore you can search for it separately. But I think groups are a really good way to have everything put together and make sure that your transfers are in the same place. So whenever you want to do that, you can always go to groups. You can either edit or create a new group so then you have all the information in the same place. So go ahead, create your group and make sure to use it on your transfer.